India, good afternoon, all of you. IMDSL India is a leading diode manufacturer company based in India. So we deals with all kind of diode laser, which is used in dental, which is used in physiotherapy, ENT surgeries, as well as proctology. Right now, here in front of you, you can see our super hit model 7-watt dental diode laser, which has been newly reframed, or maybe you can say we have given a new look for our 7-watt dental diode laser, where you can see this is the laser stand, this is your main unit, this is your foot paddle, this is the doctor eyewear, this is a surgical handpiece, this is a diamond cutter and a stripper. This is a dental kit which comes along with the machine, where you can see a bleaching handpiece, TMJ handpiece, and an intraoral biostimulation handpiece, fiber spool holder, a guiding cannula, and the battery cells. Of course, there will be a laser spool fiber available for the surgery, as well as charger cable adapter, and this comes in the packing of a metallic box, so that your whole machine is completely protected. Now quickly we would like to see how to arrange this machine so that we can start working on this. So we'll remove few things from here and we'll bring, this is your battery stand. The battery backup for this machine is around 4 to 5 hours, because the battery inside this will be 3500 mAh. So this way you will place your main unit. Once you have placed your main unit, you can see on the sides there is a black switch which is on and off switch, responsible for your operating the machine, and a connector. The battery adapter will be connected to this like this. Once it is connected, the other side you have to take out the fiber spool. So unroll your whole fiber from your packet and fix it on the sides. As you can see, there is a portal given behind this, and you will fix this. Once this is attached, there is a fiber holder along with this. On the back side of this, you can see a notch. You have to place your spool holder like this and arrange your fiber. Once your fiber is arranged, this is the machine as you can see. Okay, so once this is ready, you have to unlock your handpiece. So this is a handpiece. Take out your handpiece gently. This is a screw in which one side is threaded and other side is plain. You have to take out your screw as well as guiding cannula, and you can see this as a guiding cannula. You will take it out from the packet, and you can bend this guiding cannula on anything which is circular. While bending this guiding cannula, make sure that your tip is not bended in such a way that a kink is present. Can you see, this is a regular bend where kink is not present. Now this is your fiber. Okay, so to remove this outer covering, you have to use your BP blade and remove this outer covering. After this, to take out the fiber spool, mark this, put this red light on this 0.3 mm. Take this fiber, place it inside this, and press this red one and strip it off. And you can see your fiber is stripped. If you have to do cutting with respect to this attachment, release this and your cutter is free. You can place your fiber at this position and press, and you can find the sound, and this is cutting. So this way your fiber stripper cum cutter will work. Take this inside where IMDSL India is mentioned, that is the back side of your handpiece. Put it like this, the threaded part will go like this, and you can place the fiber. Once it is placed, you have to take out your tip and smoothly arrange it. And you can see I will place this attachment at this position. After doing this, After doing this, you can just put it on your machine, and your machine will ask for the password. Password will be given by the person who will be standing there. Thank you so much. As you can see, you have entered the password and you are on the main screen. After this, you have to just select the program and you can see you are on the interface. Once you are on the interface and your handpiece as well as machine is ready, you can go and select your parameter according to your use. Suppose that you want to use this for frenectomy. You have selected the power for frenectomy. You can go to ready, but as you can see, there is a red cross marking present on the system. That means your foot paddle is somewhat not connected. So to connect the foot paddle, on the back side, you have to place 2 battery cells. After this, switch it on from the sides. Once you will switch it on, you can see a green light on your foot paddle. Once it is green, wait for around 10 to 20 seconds. Automatically your machine will get connected. As you can see on the screen, it is green now. So this means your foot paddle and main unit is connected. Once it is connected, make sure you are ready with your eyewear. After wearing this, you have to press the foot paddle and you can see your laser is firing. To confirm from where the indicator is coming, you can see this laser indicator, which is yellow in color, turns to red. This is how your machine will start working. Thank you. Now you can see, for using all these attachments and using the stripper for your per patient or after using the machine for several patients, how to connect these attachments, the link is being given in the description box, as well as these videos available already on the YouTube, as well as for this stripper connection, how you have to work, the video is already available on the YouTube. The preset for all these particular treatments are already being given in your machine. Thank you so much.